How to connect ChatGPT to Notion. So to connect ChatGPT to Notion, you can utilize integrations like Integrately or Zapier. So first, using Integrately, sign in or login, select the app and search for ChatGPT and Notion, and then choose both apps. Then choose an automation. You can also select a pre-built automation such as add AI to your Notion. Then connect the accounts, do some map fields, and test and activate. Then next thing you want to do is using Zapier. So choose a trigger and then select a trigger from Notion such as a new database item. Then choose an action, such as analyzing image content with vision, and then set up and test for the automation to ensure its functions as expected. And then while using Notion API for custom solutions, you can create an integration. So create a new integration profile in Notion, choosing internal for a private workspace specific solution, and then utilize the API. So using the Notion API integration token to build custom workflows and connect ChatGPT to Notion. And you can also have some other options like Bardeen, DeFi, and many more. So take note of the considerations for the data privacy, read-only versus write access, and some custom GPTs. And that's how you connect ChatGPT to Notion.